Today I thought I would just share with you a very cool website design of Superlist. I think they're a great inspiration for all of us for our websites just because it's interactive. It has the user in mind and the device in mind. I'm going to show you how exactly what I mean with that. And just, yeah, very on brand, very engaging website built in Webflow. Webflow, if you haven't heard, is a website builder like WordPress, but it allows you to do so many more things, like add animations, interactive elements, and a lot of it with low code or no code. You can reuse elements, you can do just a lot of very exciting things, and we'll see in a second what I mean by that. But if you need, or if you're thinking of starting a Webflow website, just know that our team at Magic Design can support you there. Just reach out and we can discuss further. But yeah, this website, really cool. We can see this above the fold section, some animations here, like this checkbox which moves, which I find really cool. Also, you can switch between different lists. I love this, like, of course, this headline, home to all your lists, is very straightforward. It's very clear what Superlist does. It's an app for your lists. Home to all of your lists. They couldn't be more clear with what they do. And this is interactive, so you can check off items, which I think is very fun. On the top left, we also have this card you can click, and here I instantly see that they have the device I'm on and the user in mind. So they really considered what is the device you're viewing this page from, because I'm viewing this on my laptop and I have my phone next to me, so I can easily scan this QR code and download the app to my phone. I think that's very smart and a very interactive thing to do. So really cool. Going further down, they have these cards and animations that are also really, really nicely done. They show the different use cases for Superlist, and I think that's really great. They have another video demo of some use cases and examples of how you can use Superlist and how fast it is, which I think is also an amazing thing. They have this very cool color-changing list of value propositions of Superlist. I think that's also a really cool idea. And then this huge S button that changes color. You really cannot miss this button. And some very relevant links, of course. But what I always also look at is what the mobile version of the website looks like, because sometimes the landing page on laptop looks amazing and then the mobile version is unusable. But I want to show you in a second here what the website looks on mobile, and it looks like this. So these are still interactive. I think the screens change, like the examples change, I believe. Or maybe they don't. I thought they change. Well, actually, yeah, this is still you see, it's a slideshow basically. So it changes, shows different examples of lists here instead of this where you tapped to switch. And then what else? Underneath that, this is how they solved the issue of these cards being like horizontal and not very mobile friendly. Because if you were to use this on mobile, it would be too small. What they did is just they switched the order to the headline being on top and then the image being on the bottom of the animation. I think that's very smart. Also, you just scroll down like you would. I think that's very mobile friendly. What they also did is they did the animation for a mobile device. So they didn't just reuse the animation from here, that is a laptop screen. They used a native like mobile video example here, which I think is very good. I don't think a lot of brands would do that, take the time to actually create a mobile video demo for this, but I think it totally makes sense for this app. Yeah, just this list again, and the button again, which is Yeah, again, very huge, hard to miss, orange, all good things, all good things. Yeah, so if you need motivation for your next website, I think this is great. And if you need Webflow support, just let us know. We'd love to support you. But yeah, still amazed at what is possible in Webflow. Like, Webflow is just an incredible tool if you are looking to start and build a website and manage a website. Just insane. Okay, have fun. I hope this was inspiring, and good luck with your website. Bye bye.